Global warming has sped past 1.1 degrees. Additional warming will escalate threats to people, species, ecosystems. We need to accelerate green investment to address climate change. ESCAP works with partners from across the Asia-Pacific region to make it happen. By identifying and showcasing green investment opportunities from across the Asia-Pacific region, including least developed countries. Building partnerships on climate finance among ministries, multilateral development banks, entrepreneurs, and experts to direct capital towards green investments for net zero by 2050.
For the first time, we have this kind of partnership between the UN system, represented today by ESCAP, with the private sector, with financial institutions, and with good support as well from the GFANs and the presidency of the COP.
We work to help countries bring their nationally determined contributions to life, making e-vehicles a reality in Fiji, bringing electric heating systems to Mongolian houses, and applying nature-based solutions in the Indus Basin of Pakistan. We work to develop sustainable and climate-resilient infrastructure through public-private partnerships. For example, to scale up biorefinery technology for converting biomass into energy or chemicals in Thailand. We work to accelerate the energy transition through regional cooperation and the development of cross-border green power grids. Connecting renewable energy across countries, helping people of Asia and the Pacific access cheaper and clean energy, supporting sound regulatory frameworks. We work to mobilize green financing through innovative capital market instruments. The upcoming inaugural private issuance of green bonds in Cambodia and sovereign green bond issuance in Bhutan to mobilize financing where it is needed the most.
Like Cambodia, we are the small country. We are at the early stage of the market, so that local investor is not enough to support the financing. That's why we need to unlock international investor to join the action of Cambodia capital market.
Green investments need to happen at speed and scale. We are connecting investment opportunities with investors, building the missing links, and making a better future for Asia and the Pacific possible.
COP27 in Egypt must be a meeting of implementation. The time for action is now.